Welcome back. Today we're going to design this select state of the book appointment screens. If you're just joining, remember to subscribe and share to follow up with this project. So quickly we're going to update this screen by duplicating it. Select it, select your Alt key, then you drag to the right. So here we'll make like 3 different duplicates. So we'll start with the first one. This is the message select, right? So in the message select stage, we'll select time, select hour, then we'll select message box. That shows that the user have selected that, right? So here, let's come here, select this frame and give it background fill of our active color. Okay, so let's go from our library and change it to active. All right, so here we change the icon to active as well. We change the circle back to our secondary white color. Okay, let's do that. Then we change the text as well to height. Okay, then this we change it back to white too as well. Alright, so that this will show us if the user have selected message book section. Okay, so here we will select another time as well. So let's select this frame, select the frame and go and change the fill to our active color as well. Okay, and change the text color to white. Then here let's select morning. So here we select the morning frame, remove the stroke and change the fill to active as well, and change the text color to white. Alright, so we're done with that. Okay, so here we will now activate the button fill to active back. It's because this time user have made selection. Okay, and also the button, we have created another listing, which is this, I guess. Alright, so next let's duplicate this again and bring it here. Select it, Alt key, and then you drag. So this time is going to be for voice call. So voice. Alright, for voice call we do the same thing. So we're gonna select the frame and change the fill to our active color. Okay, then the icon to our active color. Okay, it's some circle frame to height. Change it back to height, and the text to height. Also this to height. Okay, so this time we'll choose another time. Let's choose morning, give it fill of our active color. I remove the stroke, then update the text to height. Then this time let's choose evening, remove the stroke and also change the fill to active and the text to white. Here also change the button from disable to active and also the text to bold for now. Okay. Alright, we select that again, another copy, bring it to the right. So this is going to be for the video call. So update the frame name to video. Okay, so this time we select another time. So let's choose here and add the fill color to our global color. the active, the text to height, and remove this stroke. Then video here, also change the fill to our active color. Okay, then the icon to active color, the circle to height, the text to height as well. So the text to height as well. And also change the button back to the active color. Alright, that's it. We're done with this part. So in the next lesson, we'll go to the next screen, which is the patients section. See you there.